Shilpa,
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
I was wanting you to brief about uh, how you should proceed to really make it possible at early end. Today,
Yes,
I just
yes, sir.
spoke to the appointment wing or appointment of the Honorable Prime Minister also,
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, sir.
and
Okay.
I spoke to for the appointment of Mr. Amit Shah also.
Amit Shah, sir.
Yeah, Honorable
Mr.
Home
Amit.
Minister.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Because what I feel that I am of the view that
Hmm.
if we are having the model which can transform this country, which can
Hmm.
bring 20 times more revenue to the government of India, at the
Hmm.
same time, the poorest of the poor will be having 2 lakhs rupees worth of purchasing power per family.
Yes, yes.
I feel it is a great model.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, that's the reason
Bas
what I'll do is I will be flying down to Bhopal.
yes,
Okay, so with few very important people like who are dedicated towards this and who has very good knowledge also towards all this, who will actually set, I mean, who will always be like in the same mindset, doing mainly for our country and for the farmers. And as you told, uh, like once you explain the model that you've already you have it in your
Uh,
hands,
if
so we
the
can
people
discuss
are
it.
having, I mean, little financial strength, even we can implement as a non-governmental initiative also.
Yes, 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 yes.
I
That
mean,
is what, sir. That's the reason.
that is doable.
Yes, yes.
However,
That's the
if it
reason
is from the
we'll do it. We'll
uh-huh,
do it in such a way, wherein in a very big way, because see, as you told, the initiative, what we are thinking, and mainly what you have planned is wonderful, sir. It's something beyond. So when we want to do it, let's do it like procedure wise, and let's do it in a way wherein the trust everything will be formed. A foundation mainly, the foundation everything will be formed.
uh,
So once we sit one on
yes,
one, sir, we can have a complete discussion, and then we'll take it forward. Is what?
basically, very very true, very true. Basically, but
Yes,
I would
yes,
like
yes,
to stress on the 3 points. Basically, but the point which you are
yes,
saying that
yes, sir.
since you know the people. I may be
Yes, sir.
knowing, but not at that wavelength, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can really initiate it as a NGO partnership because
Yes, yes.
there
Absolutely
will be
right.
lot of wealth generation, right? So
Yes, 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 yes.
lot of wealth will be generated. Hence, in the later period, finance will not be an issue, right?
You're right.
In
Yes, yes. That
in
is my main criteria, sir, because see, as you told, like from your end, you're taking an appointment with Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, then Amit Shah ji, great people. Even Rajnath Singh ji can also be in the picture, sir. He is
uh,
also our honorable defense.
I will prefer Nitin Gadkari over Mr. Rajnath
Ah,
because he is a great visionary. I am
yes, yes,
personally I am personally a fan of Honorable Nitin Gadkari. He is
yes,
a
yes.
man of
Yes, sir.
imagination, number one, and
True,
his
sir.
priority is great priorities for the country. Now
Yes,
you
yes.
imagine if we can have diesel petrol free India,
You're right. Of
how
course,
much
sir. Hmm,
if we can have the diesel petrol free India, imagine
hmm.
how much resources will be saved and the
Yes, sir.
wealth
Yes,
transfer will be taking place for the farmers
yes,
because
yes. Absolutely, sir.
they will be creating biofuel, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Number
Absolutely, sir.
number one. Number two, since we are having solar energy, and why solar
Hmm.
energy, wind energy, we are even having tidal energy because we are
Yes,
having
all the
such a
natural resources. We have an empty number of natural resources which has to be implemented in
uh,
different sectors, sir, as
basically
you told.
it should come as a win and win partnership.
True, true, true.
That and the wealth should be flowing to the absolutely
Organization.
wealth should be flowing to the people at large, especially
Yes,
people who are not having resources. I
Mm.
would like to bracket them as a have-nots, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
because
yes.
have people are getting enough money, they are getting wealthier every day, right?
True, 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 sir.
But can that wealth will be distributed? So that's why I'm saying poorest of the poor will be having this. My testing would be, can we
Mm.
really give the wealth to the poorest of the poor family, which I said that 1 lakh rupee
Yes.
per month per family kind of earning,
Absolutely, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
and
But that is what,
and
sir, when once we sit, sir, and we
uh,
will discuss on this part, because that main idea what you have got, the farmers wherein they will be the main owners, the main key will be with them, and we will be
uh,
creating a platform
it
for
is
them.
farmer will be benefited indirectly.
Absolutely.
Directly will be benefited the labor,
Yes, 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 yes. Sir,
because
it is like a chain. It is like a chain. Everyone will get benefited to this. As you told, even the
very true.
transportation people,
Do
yeah, who are
do
giving,
you do
then
do you
the
do
people who
you
are
know?
going to distribute.
Very true.
Yes.